Yeah, g'day, Dirty Kitchen here, and I want to talk today about a new product, relatively new product from the Italian company Due Cigni, the Two Swans, and this is made in Italy, in Maniago in Italy. This is a butcher's knife actually. I'm going to use it in a minute, showing some preparation of some food here, some pork, but it's made from a nitrogen enhanced steel, okay, a nitrogen enhanced steel. I'll put that up in the bottom there. It's got a really good non-slip grip here, this dishwasher proof grip. Wet, my hands are slightly damp now, wet or oily hands, you are not going to lose this knife whatsoever. It's not going to fall out of your hands in the kitchen. Okay, so let's see it in action. We cut some very thin pieces of pork here. That's a very sharp blade. Look at that. Very, very sharp. It's a beautiful knife. It's very sharp. Just these absolute slithers of meat. You see that there? Easily cut with no effort whatsoever. Okay. Test is going to see how well does this steel hold up. Cutting on this hardwood block. Right, we've got some dill, garlic, and onions. Right, and we'll now cut a bit of this, which is continental parsley, as well. I'm going to add some sweet paprika over that. That's about a teaspoon almost of sweet paprika. I'll add a bit more. In there, and then I'm going to put the garlic in amongst it, just for a bit, and let it take some odor from the garlic and some dill. And just add a little bit of oil to that too. Half a teaspoon of salt for that small amount of meat. Okay, and we're just gonna let that marinate like that for a bit. So now I'm going to put some lemon juice. There's a bit of lemon on there as well. And here they should look like this, you see. Nice and crispy. Okay, these potato slices have been fried. I'm just going to put them into the oven just to keep them from going soggy. I don't want them going soggy. Okay, now I'm going to prepare the pork. And we're going to get this really nice and hot. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil in there. Not too much oil. That's the whole point of using the grill pan. The pork is very lean. So we'll let that heat up for a minute. Alright? While that oil gets hot. It's really steaming away. Put all that in there like this. Straight away. And the idea is to cook this as quickly as possible. So because it was cut very thinly, it's going to cook very quickly. I'll just turn off the gas. So I'm going to pour some of that lemon juice in there and some of that oil because it's got the garlic flavour in it. And then we're going to take the onions, all those onions that we cut, and the parsley, you see this, and the dill. Put that on there. Okay, so the onions and the dill and the continental parsley and garlic, that's how we want it fried up like that. Now, all over that like that. And this will be a very tasty meal. A little bit more effort than my other recipes, but guaranteed to be tasty. Absolutely.